Welcome to space and a whole new perspective on our planet below. At Space Perspective, we've developed the world's first carbon-neutral spaceflight experience. We've completely reimagined human spaceflight to be as gentle on our Earth as it is on our explorers. Spaceship Neptune is designed to be the most accessible way to travel to space. With no rockets, heavy G-forces or training required, it's as easy as being on an airplane. The spacecraft features a pressurized capsule that accommodates 8 explorers and a captain, and a space balloon which propels the capsule to 100,000 feet at cycling speed, about 12 miles per hour. The flight experience will last 6 hours from launch to landing. Spaceship Neptune ascends 2 hours to apogee, where it will remain for another 2 hours as explorers enjoy a 360-degree view of our planet through the largest windows ever flown to space. When returning to Earth, the spacecraft descends another 2 hours until it reaches the ocean for a gentle landing, thanks to our patented splash cone, which attenuates the splashdown and stabilizes the capsule. While explorers are in flight, they'll be able to walk around comfortably in our cabin, which is far different from the stark, white aesthetic of modern spacecraft. Inside, you'll find Wi-Fi and all the amenities you'd expect in a first-class space lounge, including a world-class culinary program and bar. There's also a bathroom, the world's first space spa. At Space Perspective, we're driven by a desire to share the transformative power of space travel with as many people as possible. We know that looking down on planet Earth from the deep blackness of space, the quintessential astronaut experience, will radically shift one's perception of our world and our place within it. We call this the Space Perspective, and we look forward to sharing it with you.
We promised a revolution in e-water mobility. This is it. Sea Rider, the lightest, most powerful electric motorbike on water. Sea Rider's tech shatters limitations. Embrace a cleaner, quieter, electrifying adventure. We are proud to introduce the model Sea Racer from Sea Rider, the ultimate. Dream it, live it, ride the future. Sea Rider. The ride continues. Introducing Sea Cruiser. Stay tuned for more.